In this video, we'll be reviewing the maintenance steps for the Quantum series. Check coil for dirt accumulation. Clean to remove dirt buildup. Use a brush and vacuum to clean the coil. Remove the side access panel. Check the drain pan, drain line, coil, and other areas of moisture accumulation for visible signs of biological growth. Wipe and clean the drip tray with a towel or rag. Use the provided drain brush to clean out the internal drain line. Drain brush must be pre-bent before use. Check all electrical connections for integrity. Clean and tighten electrical connections as needed. Remove the electrical cover. Check the control for dirt, debris, and loose terminations. Clean and tighten electrical connections as needed. Next, power on the system. Check fan operation and confirm the evaporator and condenser fans are running. Check float switch operation. Clean bottle probe by wiping it with a towel or rag and change the water inside the wine bottle. Check controller probes for proper operation. Check PB1 and PB2 temperatures. Check voltage and amperage of the equipment. When outside of recommended levels, find and record the cause. Reinstall the access panel. Check integrity of all panels on the equipment. Replace fasteners to ensure integrity and proper fit of equipment. Repair or replace damaged panels.